I vote calculator. So we're gonna put it in a matrix, right? So remember how we did, you do this part of a matrix and then times x and y equals this part. So we get, so there's a 1 in front of that one, so we do 1, 2, and then 3, that -5, close that, times x, y, equals our answers, which are 3 and 6. Alright, so if this is like saying ax equals b, then we're going to take the inverse of both sides. And those two are going to cancel. We get x equals a inverse b. So whenever you do a matrix, you're going to call this one your matrix A, and this one matrix B. So then whenever you multiply them, like your, because you can do A inverse of a matrix, times B. And you're going to get whatever x and y equal. Okay?
Can you show it by hand?
Yes. Yeah. Do you want to do like cancellation or substitution? What you want?
Yeah, I guess substitution.
Substitution? Okay. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to say x equals 3 minus 2y. Alright, and then I'm going to put it back in this equation. So you get 3 times 3 minus 2y minus 5y equals 6. Distribute that 3. You get 9 minus 6y minus 5y equals 6. 9 minus 11y equals 6. Subtract 9. And we get negative 11y equals no. Hold on one second. Oh, but we wanted the x coordinate. Okay, sorry. So we have what y equals, and we want to find the x coordinate. So x plus
So y equals -3 or 3 over 11.
3 over 11. Okay, and then up in here. So then x equals. So I'm gonna use this first equation because it's simpler. X plus 2 times 3 over 11 equals 3. And so then x equals 6 or x plus 6 over 11 equals 3. Subtract 6 over 11 from both sides. Okay, so you have x plus 6 over 11 equals 3. I'm going to subtract 6 over 11 from both sides. minus 6 over 11, which equals 33 minus 6, which is 27 over 11, which is A. Do y'all want me to walk you through it, how to do it on the calculator?
Yes.
Like, do y'all want to see that? Okay. Borrow someone's calculator. Okay. So, we have, I'm sorry. Okay. So, we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna say matrix, right? And we're gonna use, I'm gonna use this matrix, okay? The one that I made, but I'll write it again. 'Cause that's kind of messy.
Which button is that?
Second
Uh,
matrix. Or
let's see.
second
Second
x
matrix or just-
negative exponent one.
Yeah, you hit second, because that matrix in this calculator, it's inverse. So you just hit the second button, and then that x inverse. So go second, x inverse, and that'll take you to the matrix screen. Let me just, so we're gonna be entering 1, 2, 3, negative 5 times xy equals 3, 6. And then, like I showed you over here, like, you want it to be x equals a inverse b. So this is a x b. So you want x equals a inverse b. Okay.
Can you show us how to get to like
The
that
matrix?
stuff on the top? No, like I know the button for matrix, but how to input it into the matrix. On
Yeah,
the
I'm just showing y'all what you're doing really quick for whenever you do it. So we're gonna have our matrix A be that guy and then B this guy. Okay? So like over here. We're gonna go second matrix, and we go over to edit. Okay, because edit is whenever you can actually work with the matrix. So hit edit and then enter. And then the dimensions of this matrix are 2 by 2, right? Because there's 2 rows and 2 columns. So we do 2 by 2. And then it gives you the spots. So then you just put in the answers. So 1, 3, 2, and negative 5. So 1, 3, 2, negative 5. Do y'all have them entered in? Yeah? Click enter. And then second, quit out of it. Okay?
Second what?
Second, and then quit. That mode button right there. Yeah. Second, quit. And then go back to matrix, second matrix, and we want to have that B matrix. Okay? So go back to edit, and then go down to 2. And then click enter so we can edit it. And this has 2 rows and only 1 column. Okay, so I'm going to mention 2 by 1. Alright, so then that's going to be 3 and 6. Are y'all with me so far? Yeah? Okay. And then I'm going to quit out of that. Now we're going to go second matrix, and we choose matrix 1, and it's already highlighted, so I'm just going to click enter. We have A, but over here we need it to be A inverse B. Okay? So we do A, and then we can just do the inverse, and then we multiply it
By clicking the matrix button again.
yeah, that inverse button.
Okay.
And then multiply it times, and we're going to choose that B matrix. Go second matrix, and then scroll down to second matrix. Scroll down to B and hit enter, and then hit enter. And see how it's a decimal? But you know how you normally can get rid of decimals by doing math enter enter? It works the same for a matrix. So you can go hit the math button, math, enter, enter, and we get 27 over 11.
I don't know why mine's saying here.
Okay, let me see it real quick. and then choose A, and then make it to the -1 power, that's the inverse, and then multiply times, and then second matrix, and then choose B, and then enter, and then go math, enter, enter. So that way's a lot easier, right?
Yeah.
Whenever, like, your calculator can do it for you, I don't know.
Can we do it for all of them?
Not quite for all of them. I'll tell you when you can. Yeah.
Will it always be like inverse? I don't know.
Yeah, so it's always, yeah, I know it's kind of confusing, but yeah, you're just gonna do the inverse times
can't
the
see.
answers, okay? Okay, the